Good evening, everyone. So, first, give the heading force uh, in a current carrying conducting wire in presence of magnetic field. So, suppose you have magnetic field. This one is the magnetic field you have. This one is the magnetic field you have. And in presence of magnetic field, suppose a conducting wire is there like this. This is A point, this is B point, I is the current, and dl is the length. So we have to find out the force apply on the charged particle. So let in time dt in time dt dq amount of charge flow. So df is dq qv cross b. Is it okay, everyone? You all understand that part? Force is qvb. So let the dq amount of charge flow to the conductor in time dt. So the force df is dq v cross b. Is it okay, everyone? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
So what's the topic you said? Is it force on a conductor?
Current carrying conducting wire. So what is the answer? Is it clear? Now we know that I is equals to dq by dt. So in place of dq, we can write I dt v cross b, which is I v dt cross b. What do you mean by velocity into time? V equals to dl by dt. So v dt is dl. So you can write I dl cross b. Is it okay? So taking integration both sides, df is I dl cross b. So f is I l cross b, which is I l b sine theta. If theta equals to 90 degree, like here magnetic field and length vector makes an angle 90 degree. So theta is 90 degree. So force is ILB. And as it is a L cross B, so length vector and cross product of magnetic field, the resultant is this one. So you can use Fleming's left hand rule. বুঝে যায় ও। যখন যাবে গেটটা দেখো যেন বেরিয়ে না যায়। হ্যাঁ, is it okay, everyone? Hello. Is it okay? আরে কিছুই না, ফোর্স ইজ ILB, যেখানে এল হচ্ছে লেন্থ ভেক্টর আর অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হচ্ছে লেন্থ ভেক্টর আর ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডের মধ্যে।
তো জাস্ট ফর্মুলাটা মনে রাখতে হবে তো?
অবভিয়াসলি এলটা হচ্ছে লেন্থ ভেক্টর, ঠিক আছে, তার মানে ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট। ঠিক আছে, ওকে।
Yes, sir. স্যার এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছ?
হ্যাঁ, তুমি এতক্ষণ কোথায় ছিলে বাবু?
আরে আমি কম্পিউটার ফরম্যাট মারছি তো আমার ডিফল্টে চলে গেছিল, জুম ডাউনলোড করতে হলো আবার আমাকে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, কোনো ব্যাপার না। নাও রাইট এ নিউমেরিক্যাল। This one is a very popular numerical. এই শুভেচ্ছা, শুভেচ্ছা, শুভেচ্ছা,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
প্রীতি কোথায়?
স্যার
প্রীতি, প্রীতি কোথায়?
স্যার প্রীতি আমার বোনের নাম।
হ্যাঁ, এই জন্য তো প্রীতি আর শুভেচ্ছা না?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ওই লোকে বলে না বিজয় আর প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা, বুঝতে পারলি? Find, this is the magnetic field B. Find force, magnetic force of that wire. See here, L is the displacement. So how you find out current and the length between A and B? So you have to write A plus that distance. How you get that distance? Okay. Root under C square minus B square plus that distance, that is 2R, plus that distance into B. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sharon, Sharon, Sharon. Is it okay? Next, write down. Parallel current carrying force on a parallel current carrying conducting wire. Force on a parallel current carrying conducting wire. So you have two infinitely long current carrying conducting wire. Is it okay, everyone? Let it be I1, let it be I2. Let D is the separation between the two wires. One is the first wire, let 2 is the second wire. Is it clearly visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, as it is given in the figure, so for the first current carrying conducting wire, my thumb, magnetic field on the second wire is cross. So we can write magnetic field on the second wire. B1 is cross. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for the second wire, magnetic field on the first wire is outward. So what we write, dot or cross?
Dot.
So this one is my second wire. Now the value of the first wire, mu naught I1 2 pi d, and the second wire mu naught I2 by 2 pi d. Let dl is a small elementary length. dl is a small elementary length. Now, if we use Fleming's left hand rule, this is my left hand. So magnetic field, current, force. So force is applied in this direction. Similarly, for this one, as it is a dot, current, force applied this direction. So what we realize, this is the force at 2 due to 1, and this is the force at 1 due to 2. So from this, we conclude some important points. First important point, important note. The first important note, if the current are in the same direction, force are attractive nature. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So if number 2, if the current are in opposite direction, force is repulsive nature. Number 3, if we have a spring like this, and the current flow like this, so how the current flow? The current flow like this.
স্যার ওটা ইন্ডাক্টর না স্প্রিং?
Spinning. Okay, or you can say inductor also. So these are the direction of current. Spring by inductor, current এইভাবেই যাবে. So here in that spring or inductor, the force is attractive or repulsive? Force is attractive or repulsive? Anyone tell me?
স্যার নিউট্রাল হবে কি?
Force, neutralize.
আরে কি করে বলতেছিস? Current are in the same direction. The force is attractive or repulsive?
Force is attractive in the same direction.
This current and this current, they are same direction না?
ও দুটো আলাদা আলাদা ওয়্যার কনসিডার করব?
তো তাই না হচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ।
So force is attractive. Okay.
এখানে অ্যাট্রাক্টিভ বলতে কি বোঝাচ্ছে? ওদের শেপটা চেঞ্জ হবে না, ফোর্স দুটো এক ডিরেকশন, মানে
শেপটা চেঞ্জ হবে মানে একটা অ্যাট্রাকটিভ ফিল করবে ওরা, মানে অ্যাট্রাকশন ফিল করবে। ওকে ওকে,
লিখে নেব।
4 নম্বর। इस আমার কানটা যাবে। देखो ये मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, यहाँ पे एक ऐसा एक कंडक्टर है। If the direction of the current is in this direction, what is the shape of the conductor? So देखो it's very simple. ये मेरा मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है, ये मेरा करंट है, तो फोर्स किधर लग रहा है? बाहर की तरफ। So as the force apply outward, फोर्स किधर लगेगा? बाहर की तरफ। 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 So what is the shape after some time? The shape is circular. Everyone satisfied? হ্যালো, আর ভাল লাগে না, জীবনটা ধনে পাতা হয়ে গেল রে। শালা খাঁচায় বন্দি হয়ে গেছি, খাঁচায় বন্দি।
কালকে ক্লাস নাওনি কেন?
হুম,
তুমি কালকে ক্লাস নাওনি যে?
সেটার গল্প পরে বলছি। তুই দুঃখ পাবি, চল দেখ। দেখো, so force at 2 due to 1, force at 2 due to 1, I2B1 dl. Is it okay, everyone? Can we write this? I2B1 dl. Can we write?
Yes, sir.
And what about the force at 1 due to 2? I1B2 dl. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now I2B1 is how much? Mu naught I1 by 2 pi d dl. So what about the force per unit length? What about the force per unit length? Mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi dl. Similarly, here we have I1 mu naught I2 2 pi d dl, that is 1 2 by dl, that is mu naught I1 I2 by. Why we use per unit length? Because as the length infinity, if we write into infinite length, so it will be infinity. So the माने if you get the value infinity, तो उसमें कुछ निकालने के लिए कुछ रहा नहीं. So that's why the examiner give you the question force per unit length, not the total force, because force per unit length means for infinite long wire you can get the force per unit length, because if you multiply it by length you get the value directly infinity. So they don't give you this type of question, they give you force per unit length, and that is mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi d. Is it okay, everyone?
যদি কোনো বলে যে ফর আ স্পেসিফিক লেংথ মেবি 2 মিটার বা 4 মিটার, তখন ইনটু করে দিতে
সেই
হবে।
জন্যই তো, আরে ওটাই তো, সেই জন্যই তো দেওয়া, যে যদি স্পেসিফিক লেন্থ বলে so then multiply it by the dl, and they give you the specific length only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write down numerical. মুছি? ওকে মানেই তো মুছা, তাই না? মুছলাম। अब देखो न्यूमेरिकल, देखो टाइप 1, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Question number 2. Find the position where the net magnetic field is 0. Question number 1, question number 2. Aha.
স্যার ওটা কি 10 সেন্টিমিটার না মিটার?
The type 3 question is that, infinitely long current carrying conducting wire carrying current 10 ampere. P is a point which is at a distance 10 centimeters from the current carrying conducting wire. The value of the charge is 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. Speed of the charge particle is 100 meters per second. Find the find the force at point P. That is 10 centimeters. So see what happened.
Sir, 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 হবে কি?
2 into
6
10 to the
first.
power minus 5. Let's see.
10 to the power minus 6.
আচ্ছা দেখি না।
6.
First of all, we have to find out the magnetic field at point P. Obviously, it is into the page. So the magnetic field is mu naught I by 2 pi R, yeah, Y. That is 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7. Current is 10 ampere. 2 pi and 10 centimeters, mane 0.1. So what we have, 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Now the force is QVB, that is 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power 2, 2 into 10 to the power minus 5, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 Newton. And what is the direction? Now again we use left hand rule, first finger cross, central finger and force up. So in this direction, as it is in this direction, so you can write in that way: east, west, north, south. So you can write west or minus I. If the charge particle is negative, then west become east. Okay.
So towards the wire লেখা যাবে।
Towards the wire লেখা যায়। Towards the wire লেখা যায়। But if it is negative, then opposite হয়ে যেত। Depends on the option. Very good. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Type 4. This one is infinitely long wire, current carrying wire. Suppose carrying current 10 ampere, and you have a rectangular loop. Suppose this is 10 centimeter, this one is 20 centimeter, and the current is 20 ampere, and the separation is 10 centimeter. Find the net force on the loop. Find net force on the rectangular loop. So let's see what happened. First of all, let this one is the first wire, let this one is the second wire, let this one is the third wire. Now these are the two wires, current are in the same direction. So we can say force is attractive nature. So we don't need the wire in this one, we need the net force at this one. So we can write force at 2 due to 1. We can write here force at 1 due to 2, which is not required. So we don't need this wire. Similarly, force at this due to this. Current are in opposite direction. See, current are in opposite direction. So repulsive nature. What is the value? Force at 3 due to 1. Now in this two also the force applied, but equal magnitude, exactly opposite direction. So they cancel each other. So we don't need to calculate that force. Now we are now doing we are keeping our concentration to find out these two force. So force at 2 due to 1. The formula is mu naught 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7. The formula is mu naught I1 I2 2 pi d into dl. 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7, the value of mu naught. I1, 10 ampere. I2, 20 ampere. 2 pi, separation is d, that is 0.1 centimeter. And the length of this wire is 10 centimeter, mane 0.1. So 0.1, 0.1 cancelled out. 0.1, 0.1 cancel out. So what we can write? We write 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Now, if we want to calculate the force at 3 due to 1, we find 4 pi 10 to the power minus 7, 10 into 20 by 2 pi into that distance is 0.3 into length is 0.1. So what we have, 4 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. So obviously it is clearly visible that force of 2-1 greater than force of 3-1, because that distance is a small 10 centimeter and that distance is large 30 centimeter. So net force on the loop is force of 2-1 minus force of 3-1, that is 4 into 10 to the power minus 3, 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 4 into 2 by 3, 10 to the power minus 3, that is 8 by 3, 10 to the power minus, sorry, not 5, 3. Oh, sorry, 5, not 3.
10 to the power minus 5 হবে।
আরে হ্যাঁ রে, বুঝছি, ভুল করছি। Newton towards the infinitely long wire. Towards the infinitely long wire. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, after that, next type question, write down.
স্যার একটু দাঁড়ান।
Okay. ও এবার দেখা যাচ্ছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার এবার ঠিক আছে।
Type 5. Okay. You have a current carrying conducting wire infinitely long, and you have another wire I2, current carrying conducting wire. The wire is at a distance A from the wire, and the length of the wire is B. Find the force applied on the wire. রোহিত, তোদের লজ্জা হওয়া উচিত। আচ্ছা দেখ, ও আমি তো ভুলে গেছি, সর্বাণীরও তো ম্যাথস আছে। Let dx is a small elementary part and which is at a distance x. So for this infinitely long current carrying conducting wire, magnetic field is mu naught I by 2 pi x, and that I is I1. Is it okay?
Yes sir.
So dF is the magnetic force, that is I2 dx B. So I2 dx magnetic field for that particular instant is mu naught I1 a 2 pi x. So we can take common mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi dx by x. To find out the total magnetic field, we can take integration. So total magnetic field mu naught I1 I2 2 pi integration dx by x. Now my lower limit is a and the upper limit is a plus b. Very good. Sure, buddy. So mu naught I1 I2 2 pi log x base e a to a plus b. So what we have, mu naught I1 I2 2 pi log a plus b base e minus log a base e. So mu naught I1 I2 2 pi log a plus b by a base e, that is mu naught I1 I2 2 pi log base c 1 plus b by a. क्या कह दिया है तुमने टाइप 6 অনেকগুলো কোশ্চেন করলাম। এরপরে আমার আবার একটা ক্লাস আছে। এই মোবাইলে এতক্ষণ থাকতে থাকতে না মাথা ব্যথা করতে লাগে। Question is that this is the inner wire, this is the outer radius A and B. Okay, and wire is winding like this. Total number of wire n from here to here. Total number of wire n. Total number of wire या total number of turn लिखे दो. Turn n. I is the current. Find net magnetic field at center O. Okay. Is it okay? You all understand the question?
আরেকবার একটু রিপিট করো কোশ্চেনটা।
আরে বাবা, ইনার রেডিয়াস এ আর আউটার রেডিয়াস বি তে এন নাম্বার অফ টার্ন আছে, টোটাল নাম্বার অফ টার্ন এন। এই পুরো টোটাল নাম্বার অফ টার্নের জন্য সেন্টার ও তে ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ড কত হবে? ক্যারিং কারেন্ট আই।
mu naught n I by b minus a.
দেখ
তো মিউ নট এন আই বাই 2 লগ বি মাইনাস লগ এ।
কি খেয়েছিস আজকে সর্বাণী? কি খেয়েছিস? সব ঠিক বলছিস। Let R is the radius and let the thickness is dr. So in this thickness dr, the number of turn is the number of turn is dn. The number of turn is dn. So what about the magnetic field for this small r? Magnetic field is dB, that is mu naught I 2 pi r into the number of turn dn, because we know magnetic field depends on the number of turn. 2 pi r na pi o hobe na 2r. Is it clear? Mu naught I by 2r into dn. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you mean by dn? dn is the wire in the thickness of dr. How you get it? What is the total number of turn n? What is the length of this part? B minus a. So n by b minus a, that is the total number of turn per unit length into the dr. You get the wire number of turn within that dr. Is it clear? Total number of turn per unit length into length. You get the number of turn within that length.
Yes, sir.
স্যার আপনি প্রথম থেকে বলো না।
আরে বাবা, ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডের ফর্মুলা কি? মিউ নট আই বাই 2r। হ্যাঁ, আর for that wire, that thickness, let the thickness is dr, so number of turn is dn. So how you get the dn? Total number of turn by total length. আরে বাবা,
For
মনে করো
that
100টা
particular
টার্ন
dr.
আছে, এর ভেতরে আছে না, so for that particular thickness, what is the number of turn? Total number of turn by total length into that thickness. So dB is mu naught I 2r n by b minus a dr. So mu naught I n 2b minus a dr by r. Now to find out the total magnetic field, taking integration both sides, mu naught I n 2b minus a dr by r from lower limit to upper limit. A to B. So what we have, mu naught In to B minus A log R A to B mu naught In to B minus A log B minus log A, which is mu naught In to B minus A log B by A base C is the magnetic field. So that's it for today.